Morning folks, this is Captain Doug Wynn from Crappie Gills and More. We're here on the XL Bay Pro this morning. Wanted to talk to you for a minute about the marine electronics. I have a lot of guests who fish with me here on the Fishful Thinking, and a lot of them ask me about the electronics, what I use, how I go about using it. This is a Hummingbird Helix 12 mega unit. It's one of the latest technology. Amazing unit. I use my mapping card. I use a Lake Master V4 card. Amazing detail of the lake bottom and all. It's a tool that really makes me a better fisherman. I get a lot of questions. How do you maintain the screens? We use a lot of sunscreen. We use a lot of insect repellent here on the boat, and I do not want to get that stuff anywhere near these screens. If you do get either of those products on your screen, it will water spot them, and I don't know any way you can get it off. One thing that I use to maintain, and really the only thing, I use the Vinegar formula Windex, like you would use in your cleaning the windows in your house or even your car. But I don't want to use anything with ammonia. The ammonia is not real good with these screens. So I use a soft, this is a microfiber towel. I just spray just a small amount on the screen, and then wipe it. It will take the water spots and everything off, and this will help keep your screens in great shape. You'll have great clarity, and you'll help your electronics last for a long time.